Hi, today's topic is modeling with system of equations. We can write system equation to model or represent the real-life situation. So let's take a look at question number 1. Sam bought 3 pretzels and 4 sodas and paid a total of $10. Tommy bought 3 pretzels and 2 sodas at the same store, and he paid a total of $8. Let x equal to the unit cost of the pretzel. That means how much one pretzel costs. And y equal to the unit cost of a soda. That means how much one soda costs. Write a system equation that models the information. So now for Sam, he bought 3 pretzels. So to find how much he paid for the pretzel, it will be 3 times the price of a pretzel, and then plus 4 times the price of a soda, and then equal to $10. So now let x equal to the unit cost of a pretzel. That means 3 times x plus 4 times the price of a soda, 4 times y, because y equal to the cost of a soda, and equal to $10. So we have the equation that represents Sam, which is 3x plus 4y equals 10. Now we are going to write equations for Tommy. So for Tommy, so he bought 3 pretzels, so it'll be 3 times the price of a pretzel, and then plus 2 soda, then 2 times the price of a soda, and he paid $8, so equal to 8. Now 3 times, so 3 times the price of the pretzel, which is x, so we get 3x, and plus 2 times the price of a soda, then 2 times y, which is 2y, equal 8. So now we get the system equation. We are going to write them together. So the system is (3x plus 4y equal 10), and then 3x plus 2y equal 8. So this is the answer. Now let's take a look at question number 2. Judy bought 4 pencils and 5 notebooks. She paid a total of $32. Kate bought the same pencil and notebook from the same store. Kate bought 3 pencils and 5 notebooks. She paid a total of $29. Let x equal to the unit cost of a pencil and y equal to the unit cost of a notebook. So now part A, write a system equation that models the information. So for part A, we're going to do almost the same thing like number 1. So we have 2 people. So for Judy, she bought 4 pencils. So it'll be 4 times the price of a pencil, which is x. And then plus 5 notebooks. So 5 times the price of a notebook, which is y. So 5 times y. And she paid $32, so equal 32. So which is 4x plus 5y equal 32. Now we're going to look at Kate. Kate, she bought 3 pencils, so 3 times the price of a pencil, 3 times x, and plus 5 notebooks, so 5 times y, because y represents the unit price or the unit cost of a notebook, and she paid $29. So therefore the system is 4x plus 5y equal 32. 3x plus 5y equal to 29. 4 times x plus 5 times y equal 32. So I write it over without a dot. 4x plus 5y equal 32. And then 3 times x plus 5 times y equal 29. It becomes 3x plus 5y equal to 29. So this is the system of equation, represents the information. Now we go to part B. Solve for x and y. Use any method you like. Any method, that means you can do substitution or elimination. So let's take a look at here. We got 4x, 3x, 5y, and 5y. In this part, we get both 5y and 5y, and they are identical. So we can use subtraction to eliminate y. So for part B, I'm going to use elimination that we learned. So 4x plus 5y equal 32. 3x plus 5y equal 29. Because 5y and 5y are equal, so I'm going to do subtraction. So if I do subtraction, and then I will cancel the 5y. 4x minus 3x is 1x. 5y minus 5y is 0. So plus 0 equal 32 minus 29. You can do it in your mind. Use a calculator. It will give you 3. So now 1x plus 0 stays as 1x. So now we got 1x equal 3, which is x equal 3. So we found x equal 3. Now next I have to find y. To find y, you can use any of the equations. So you can pick the top one or the bottom one. I'm going to choose the top one. So I'm going to use 4x plus 5y equal 32. 4 parentheses plus 5y equal 32. So now I have x equal 3. So now 4 times 3 is 12, and then plus 5y equal to 32. You want to make the 12 disappear. So 12 minus 12 equals 0. So therefore minus 12 and minus 12 both sides. So this cancel becomes 0. I have 5y left over equal 32 minus 12. You can use a calculator and do in your mind. That will give you 20. Now 5y equals 20. So we divide by 5. So we get y equal 4. So we found the answer. X equal 3, y equal 4. So that means each pretzel costs $3, and each soda costs $4. Now we finished question number 2. Let's go to number 3. Number 3. A local theater is showing an animated movie. They charge $5 per ticket for a child and $12 per ticket for an adult. They sell a total of 342 tickets and made a total of $2,550. We want to find out how many children tickets they sold and how many adult tickets they sold. So let X be the number of children ticket and let Y be the number of adult ticket. A, write a system equation to represent the situation. So now we are going to write system equation. So let's take a look at here. We have $5 for a children ticket, a child ticket. So to find out how much, so it would be $5 times the number of children ticket, and then plus the 12 times the number of adult ticket. So after you multiply all this and that one together, there will be the total amount of money. So that means to find out the money, I need to do is $5 times the number of children ticket times X, and plus $12 times the number of adult ticket times Y. And then you add them together, that will be $2,550. And we're going to rewrite it without a dollar sign. That will be 5X plus 12Y equal 2,550. That's our first equation. Now we still have another number haven't used, 342. They sell a total of 342 tickets. To get to the 342, then we had to add the number of children ticket and the number of adult ticket. So the number of children ticket, okay, this is a present number, okay, plus the number of adult ticket equal 342. So that means X plus Y equal to 342. Now we get the two equations. So now the system of equation is 5X plus 12Y equal to 2,550. That's for the money. X plus Y equal to 342 for the amount of tickets. So now we finished part A. Now we're going to take a look at part B. Solve for X and Y. Use any method you like. So for part B, 5X plus 12Y equal 2550. X plus Y equal 342. Okay, so we have to solve this system equation. 5X, 1X, 12Y, 1Y. They're not opposite. They're not equal to each other. So I would not use elimination. I'm going to use substitution. X plus Y equal to 342. I can isolate the Y by itself. So I'm going to isolate Y by itself. X plus Y equal 342. All I need to do is subtract X both sides. Because X minus X will be 0. Then I get Y equal 342 minus X. Then I get Y by itself. Now I can substitute this into the first Y. Substitute into the other equation. So now we're going to do is substitution. 5X plus 12 parentheses equal to 2,550. Now we have 342 minus X. Next, we're going to solve this equation. Now after we do substitution, we only have one equation with X. So we just to solve it. Here we got the 12 in the front, so we have to multiply to expand it. Okay, so now 5X stay the same. 12 times 342. I'm going to use a calculator. 12 times 342. So we got 4,104. So plus, and then 12 times X. So my 12X equal to 2,550. And this is the middle of the equation, so we want to keep the X on the left side and we don't want the number on the left side. So we want to eliminate the number. So plus, so we do minus 4104 minus 4104. So this is cancelled, so you get 5X left over minus 12X, stay the same here, and equal. Now we're going to type in this in our calculator. 2550 minus 4104. So we get negative 1,554. And then let's take a look at the left side here. We got 5X minus 12X. So then we just have to combine like terms. So we do 5 minus 12, which is -7. So we have -7x equal -1,554. -7x, so it tells us to do division. So we divide by -7, divide by -7. -7 divided by -7 is 1, so we get 1x equal -1,554 divided by -7. So we got 222. So that means x equal to 222. And now we are going to find the y. So find y. So you can use any of the equation. You can use the top one or the bottom one. So it looks like the bottom one is simpler. So I'm going to use x plus y equal to 342. And I know x equals 222. So therefore 222 plus y equal to 342. Minus 222, then it turn into 0. So minus 222. So y equal. So now 342 minus 322, you get 120. So now we found x and y. X represent the number of children tickets. So therefore 222 children tickets were sold. And then 120 adult tickets were sold. So we found the answer. Next, I'm going to ask you to take a look at number 4 and number 5. Number 4 and number 5, all you have to do is to read the situation and tell us is the choice A or choice B that represent the situation. Okay, so I'm going to give you 1 minute. You read the questions, and then you're going to decide, is it A or B? Number 4, which of the following system of equation represent the situation? Mary bought 5 notebooks and 6 pens. She paid $25. Judy bought the same items at the same store. Judy bought 5 notebooks and 5 pens. She paid $24. Let X be the unit cost of a notebook, and then Y be the unit cost of the pens. So now you're going to read the information, and then you can choose A or B. $30 more seconds. Okay, so let's take a look at number 4. So for Mary, she bought 5 notebooks. So 5 times X, because X is the unit cost of notebook. And plus 6 pens, 6 times Y, because Y is the unit cost of the pens. And she paid $25. For Judy, she bought 5 notebooks. So 5 times the X. And plus 5 pens, so 5y equal $24. So now we're going to take a look at the choices. So only choice A match. So the answer is choice A. Now I'm going to ask you to take a look at number 5. I'm going to give you a minute, and then you're going to see which one represents the situation, either choice A or choice B. Which of the following system equation represents the situation? A local theater is showing a movie. They charge $4 for each child. They charge $10 per ticket for each adult. They sell a total of 800 tickets and made $6,800. So we have 800 tickets, and the amount of money is $6,800. Okay, I guess you're ready. So now we are going to look at here to find the amount of money. So it should be the ticket price, $4, times the number of children ticket, which is X. So times X, and plus $10 times the number of adult ticket, so times Y, equal to total amount, which is 6,800. And there are 800 tickets. So the 800 ticket will be the number of children ticket plus the number of adult ticket. So therefore X plus Y equal to 800 tickets. So now we're going to compare and see. So only choice B is the answer. So now you're ready to go to do the lesson summary and 4 multiple choice questions.